friends, today I want to show you how to pour the water from the pitcher into the glasses and pour back the water from the glasses into the pitcher. Here we are already at the tray pitcher with the water inside, glasses, and the tissue. Let's check it out. First, we hold the pitcher like this, right hand and the left hand, and we point it into the glasses. And we clean it, the mouth of the pitcher, like with this tissue. Now we pour back the water from the glasses to the pitcher. And we clean it with the tissue. Alhamdulillah, finished. That's all. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.